Good day to all of you, all the respected members. Here I think most of the gathering is of lawyers, and I think everything they know about the law. So my subject will not be law. I will just to share my own feelings and some tricks to address and to how to get the administration of justice and the administration of government, how you will have to deal with it. That is the most important aspect, because in most of the lawyers, it is not taught administration of government. We must also learn about this. Unless we know the administration of government, we remain something lacking in us. Precisely for the reason, administration of justice, it deals with the law, and administration of the government, it deals with the so many policy programs and law and how to spread and give the welfare and expansion of the city and the services, public services, social services. And now the whole world is going to be very dynamic. And in this, we must not only learn the art of speech. There are three speeches which everyone must learn. Number one is the deliberative speech. It is meant for the politicians and which is used in the assemblies. And number two, epidictic. It is always for the good deeds of a person spoken. So long as the judicial speech is concerned, it is in the court. What we do in the judicial speech, we all deal with the past transactions. And in the deliberative speech, we deal with the future transactions which will come and the present. Likewise, epidictic in the honor of some great scholars and those who have done good work to the society. And dear friends, apart from this, now the whole world is how it is going to change. We have, and the civilization is now entirely on new line, that is on technology based. AI, artificial intelligence, AGI, artificial general intelligence, and machine learning, man and machine, Internet of Things. These are the primary requirement for a lawyer, not only for a lawyer, but judge also as well. Because the information has become so vast, you will have to deal with it with some skills. You should not only have the knowledge, you must have skills also to attain your goals. And that is the part of the intelligence. Intelligence doesn't mean exclusively that we know the law. We must also know, we must also understand what is the paradigm and how we will seek the indulgence of a person to get the favors for the justice. So dear friends, I would like to impress upon all of you that you must learn AI, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things and computer. It is going to be vast, and slowly you will see these things will be replaced. And not only this, the day is not far away when there will be robo judges and you will have to address before them. And machine will compel you to give the decisions. It is the time which you can perceive it. And information is so vast, unless you know the computer, it is very difficult for you to collect the information also, case law, argument, how we will deal. So you must, because we have less time, and therefore I will not take your much time. I have been given only 2 minutes, but I have spoken more than that. So all of you, I wish for success of all. And I think all are known to me, most of the people are known to me. So thanks, and I am thankful to Shri Shiv Kumar Sharma ji, Honorable Justice ji, and Murari Lal ji, and all of you. And friends, just my last message is, knowledge without action is a worthless enterprise. Unless you know the things how to move and to achieve your goals, your knowledge is nothing, but you are only taking a burden on you and the society. So make your tools sharp. Thank you.